Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. For those of us blessed with curly or wavy hair, we constantly wonder how to get silky straight hair. It's adaptable, it's manageable, and lends itself to various different hairstyles. Why wouldn't we want it? The problem is, without subjecting our hair to heavy chemical treatments, running to the salon for a blow dry, or straightening it with an iron every day, we can't achieve this. Even worse, most of these remedies are temporary and can cause long-term damage to your hair. There is hope though. Natural hair straightening does exist, and today I'm going to show you a remedy for straight hair. I'll show you how to get straight hair naturally while avoiding severe damage in the process. We're going to start by taking a coconut and grating it up, just like I'm doing here. Do this carefully so you don't hurt your fingers. The oil that we'll be pulling from the coconut has a wide range of benefits. Coconut contains healthy vitamins and fatty acids that can help nourish the scalp and promote hair growth. With continued use, scalp irritation will diminish and your hair will look shiny and healthy. After we've grated up the coconut, go ahead and scoop it up and put it in a strainer. We're going to use the strainer to drain the nourishing coconut oil or milk out for our simple remedy. Coconut oil is free of nasty chemicals that are often found in conditioning hair products. The lauric acid that's found in coconut oil has the ability to penetrate the hair follicle and deeply hydrates the hair with vitamins, minerals, and other fatty acids. Coconut oil helps prevent hair loss, prevents dandruff and itchiness, and improves moisture retention. As you can see, there's a very good reason we're using this as the main ingredient for this simple remedy. Once you've extracted as much coconut oil as you can, add corn flour. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of milk to a saucepan. Corn flour strengthens the hair's follicles since it's packed with potent antioxidants like vitamin C and lycopene, which assists in collagen production. Once you've stirred in the entire cup of milk and all of the ingredients appear to be melding together nicely, next we're going to add coconut oil or milk. At this point, you'll want to turn on the heat underneath your saucepan. Allow it to warm up over low heat for several minutes. You'll want to see a little bit of steam rising off of your mixture, just like you can see here. We're going to add one more ingredient in the form of castor oil or olive oil, whichever is available. Make sure all the ingredients are mixed together well. Allow the mixture to cool a little bit before we begin the application process. Once your mixture is all cooked up and then cooled, go ahead and remove it and put it into an easy access container. Basically anything that's open that you can easily dip your fingers into. Now we're going to start with the application process. Apply it to your hair, starting at the root. Some of my closest girlfriends have tried this remedy, and let me tell you, the results are incredible. Most of them have much curlier hair than mine, so the fact that they came out with sleek, shiny tresses should tell you exactly how incredible this remedy really is. There are plenty of expensive straightening treatments out there, and yeah, they can work great, but they're only temporary and they cost a lot of money. Give this simple remedy a try before you walk into your local salon, and trust me when I say you will be so happy that you did. As you can see here, I'm applying thick layers of the mixture all over my hair. If you have long hair like me, you'll probably use up the entirety of the mixture that we've used today, and that's perfectly fine. After thoroughly covering your hair from root to tip, allow the mixture to sit on your hair for several minutes. While it sets, work the product into your hair just like I'm doing here. You want to make sure that you haven't missed any spots. Once you feel like you've completely covered your hair, go ahead and rinse the mixture away with a nice mild shampoo. As you're about to see, the results speak for themselves. After using this simple remedy, my hair is straight but still voluminous and full of life. You don't need to spend lots of money or apply damaging treatments to get straight, beautiful hair. All you need are a few ingredients that you can get from your local market. If you have curly hair and you've been looking for ways to tame that mane, give this simple remedy a try. Be sure to let us know down in the comments below if you decide to try this remedy for yourself. We'd love to know how it works for you and your hair health. Also, give this video a like, share with your friends, and most importantly, be sure to subscribe to my channel, My Simple Remedies, for more beauty and healthcare tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.